Good morning and welcome back to Old Red Tractors. The channel is starting to grow again. Thank you very much. This morning we are going to change out the old grease fittings on the disc, and we are going to go over there and say goodbye to the garden. I've got a bunch of habaneros and jalapenos left. That's about it. So I'm going to pick those, and I'm going to cut the okra back and hang it up in the barn and let it dry for seed next year. But anyway, the focus of today's video is we're going to get rid of the old grease fittings and pack these with new grease. They turn pretty good. They're not loose, which is great. They're still nice and tight, but I want to change the grease fittings out and get it packed with grease, and then we're going to go play in the dirt with it. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try and keep the videos coming out around every 5 days or so, depending on the schedule at work and here. So thank you for your patience, but I'm going to try and stay on top of it. But like I said, you never can tell. But I'm going to do my best. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these changed out and get on over to the get on over to the garden and start picking, so we can say goodbye to the garden. Stay tuned for that. We'll see you in a few. All right, here we are. We are going to get started in just a moment. I've already went through and cut all the okra I wanted for seed, and I've got them laying over here behind the tree or next to the tree. I'll get those hung up probably this afternoon to start drying. I went through and picked all the butter beans that I could find in between all the grass and stuff, so I'll be getting the last of the butter beans up. And there were more peppers over there than I thought, so my wife said just leave the peppers and we'll let them go as long as they can, and she can make more salsa. So right now we're going to hook the chain up to these T-posts and get them up out of the ground. I got 2, 5, 8, 11. So it's going to be a few minutes, but I got the Super C. I'm not worried. So I'm going to put this on the tripod, and we're going to get that old girl started, and we're going to pull post. And I've already played in the dirt just a little bit. It is really nice. I like it a lot. It's got enough weight to it that it cuts. Granted that this was already tilled. So we are going to see how it does over here in the hills where it wasn't tilled yet. And I'm pretty confident that it's going to do a good job. So let me get it on the tripod and let's go ahead and start pulling post. Stay tuned for that. All right, that's it. I'm going to get this back over to the shop. It needs a bath, and I need to come back and start picking the butter beans off the bushes so that I can get those canned. All right, but we're gonna look. I think the Super Seed did a good job with the disc and the tiller. Of course, I saw a few butter beans over there, and I'm sure butter beans are gonna grow back again. So I'll probably come back through here as soon as I start to see the new growth and cut it under. And it's soft enough now. If we get rain, it should just soak it right up. Well, anyway, that's it. And once again, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscription. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the little red button in the corner. It's absolutely free. So have a great afternoon from Old Red Tractors, and we'll see you in the next video.